Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking level and securing the vehicle, safety first. Once stable, confirm you have the correct connector type, 7-pin or 4-pin, and a multimeter. Next, expose the trailer plug wiring, peel back insulation just enough to access conductors. Now find the tow vehicle's brake output and the trailer's brake wire. This is where you'll join them. Make clean cuts and strip 1/2 inch of insulation. Clean copper improves connection quality. Once done, you're ready to join the wires. You'll now make the critical connection. Do it methodically. First, confirm wire functions by color and by testing with a multimeter. Apply brake pedal or controller signal to see which conductor carries 12V. Strip and twist clean wires, then crimp with a properly sized connector or solder for a permanent join. Heat shrink over the splice to seal and insulate. Make strain relief with zip ties and route the cable away from moving parts. Once sealed, recheck continuity and that the brake line shows voltage when activated. You finish by securing the connector housing and applying dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. This improves long-term reliability. Next, perform a live test. Attach trailer, drive slowly in a safe area, and apply brakes to verify trailer brakes engage and lights operate. If a proportional controller is used, adjust the gain until braking is smooth and balanced. If things go wrong, isolate the problem methodically. Check ground continuity first, then verify 12V at the brake pin, and retest all splices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.